हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल शिक्षा बाय रतिका। आपको पता है अब नीट एग्ज़ाम बिल्कुल पास है। 13 सितंबर को आप अपने एडमिट कार्ड्स डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और नीट एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो आपका चैप्टर 2 सॉल्यूशन है उसमें से जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आज मैं आपको करवाऊँगी। जनरली आपको एक दो टर्म्स डेफिनेशंस मैं बता देती हूँ, उसके बाद हम हेनरीज लॉ को स्टार्ट करेंगे और उसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करेंगे नॉन मेडिकल। Solution. What is solution? It's a homogeneous mixture of two or more components, for example, common salt in water. Then what do you mean by solvent and what do you mean by solute? So the component that is present in the largest quantity is known as solvent, and the component which present in lesser quantity in the solution is termed as solute. So in today's lecture, I'm going to tell you about the Henry's law, what do you mean by Henry's law, and some important questions. So you can say at a constant temperature, the solubility of gases in a liquid is just directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. Okay, where P is the partial pressure, KH is your Henry's law constant, and X is the mole fraction of gas in the solution. So here now I'm gonna tell you 5 most important questions. आप वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें, डेफिनेटली आपको एक क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में ज़रूर मिलेगा. So here is the first question. What is the significance of Henry's law constant KH? So higher the value of Henry's law constant, KH lower is the solubility of gas in the liquid. So you can see the formula. This is the Henry's constant KH. If this is higher, then the solubility is less. Next question. KH value for argon, CO2, formaldehyde, methane are 40.39, 1.67, 1.83, 0.413 respectively. Arrange these in the order of increased solubility. So if with the same formula you can say if higher is the Henry's law constant, lesser is the solubility. So in this case you can say third option is correct according to the values. As formaldehyde is 1.83 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So why do gases always tends to less soluble in liquid as temperature is raised? Of course, a less soluble gas has higher value of KH, or the value of KH increases with increase in temperature. This is a very important point, that the value of KH increases with increase in the temperature, and the value of KH at any temperature are different for different gases. For example, in water we have 3 gases: helium, hydrogen and oxygen, but helium is insoluble in water, hydrogen is soluble, and oxygen is highly soluble according to the KH values at constant pressure. Next question. Effect of nature of gas and the solvent. Gases like CO2, HCl, ammonia are highly soluble in water, as H2, O2 and N2 are sparingly soluble. So these gases which easily forms ions in solution are more soluble in which solvent? In water or in ethanol? So of course the answer is in water. Next is Henry's law for solubility of gas is valid at constant temperature or volume. I have already told you, yes, this is temperature. So the value of KH increase with which option? With increase in temperature. So there are more two terms. What is anoxia? This is simply lower concentration of oxygen in blood which vanish your thinking or unable to think. So it's called anoxia. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.